Hey guys, welcome back to Made by Pico. This week, as requested, I have a video on how to make a good background for Zoom, YouTube, or any other platform that you may be using. If you're interested, I'm going to share my ultimate hack on how you can transform your background so that you can stand out from other people. As well, I'm going to be sharing a few tips on how you can style yourself so that you look good on camera. So if you're interested, we're going to get right into it. So here's a clear example of why this system isn't working right now in the video. I currently am blending in with the background because of my shirt choice, and on top of that, I'm not wearing any makeup, so because the camera will naturally desaturate some color, I'm going to look even more washed out than normal. And as well, I haven't done anything to my hair other than let it dry, so it doesn't look the best, it doesn't look the worst, but we could do better. So I'm going to show you guys how we can do that right now. Alright, so first things first, we're going to style our hair. Yes, guys, you as well, whether it's blow drying, gelling, or whatever your style is, make sure to have it look put together. For girls, go ahead and curl it, straighten it, or whatever makes you feel good, but just make sure that you put that little bit of time and effort because it really shows on camera. Alright, so now it's time for some makeup. Guys, before you skip 30 seconds, your task is to blot your face to get rid of any excess oil so your face doesn't look shiny on camera. As for girls, we're going to add a layer of foundation. All of the makeup that I'm showing you right now is meant to enhance our natural features that are going to be washed out on camera. So here I'm going to add some contouring to the cheeks and any other shadows that are naturally found in my face so that you can see it more defined on camera. After I've gone ahead and contoured the rest of my face, you're going to go ahead and take a very subtle lipstick. This one has a light red tone to it, and once again, this is just going to enhance my natural lip color so that it shows up better on camera. Next, we're going to add some eyeshadow into the creases of our eyes in order to create more depth. I took my Naked palette and just did this light pinky purple ash color and then just applied it right there and smoked it into my inner eye. Finally, I just curled my eyelashes and added a little bit of mascara to my top and lower eyelashes, and then I was all done. So as you can see, without changing my top, this has already significantly made a huge difference in my facial appearance, as you can really clearly see all of my facial outlines, expressions, which really helps when you're trying to convey something over Zoom. And the added hair definitely plays a role in looking a little bit more put together and like you put that extra bit of thought. So let's keep going, and I'm going to show you how else you can transform. For this next part, you're going to need some scarves. I recommend finding something that's lightweight and large so that'll be easy to pin up. So to begin, we're going to take your scarf and we're going to steam it. Make sure not to overfill your steamer like I did, or you'll get a funny surprise when it spurts water. And then you're just going to quickly give it a once over. This is so important because since we're going to hang it up as a backdrop, it's super noticeable if you leave any wrinkles in it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how we can set up our background. For the sake of showing you guys, I've pushed the camera significantly further back, so don't worry, you're going to be able to see what I'm actually doing, but you won't see this in the video. So as you just saw, you're going to need a scarf. Find any print that you want. You can make it as serious or as fun as you want. I'm in a more creative field. I'm a graphic designer, so I personally like to show something with a little bit more pattern. But you can find a lot of scarves with some more basic backgrounds, even textured backgrounds. So once you decide what scarf you want to use, you're just going to want to take it, and we are going to actually tape it straight to the wall. Make sure to use some tape that is easy to peel off the wall without damaging it. So I like to use some masking tape because I know it won't damage the surface of the paint. But you're just going to take it, and after having steamed your scarf, you are just going to hang it up onto the wall. And now we're all set to set up our camera. So I'm going to show you what it looks like once we're actually sitting in front of our desk and what it looks like through my computer. Alright guys, so I just switched to my computer and now I am filming as if I was in a presentation in Zoom. So as you can see, you cannot tell that this is hung up behind me at all. Since it's not a Zoom background, it won't be glitching out every time that I move side to side, which is super nice. Then people can actually concentrate on what I have to say and how I'm put together. It's like I said, just that little bit of makeup and putting some attention into your hair and what you're wearing will make a huge difference. I decided to go with this white top because it's a nice contrast from these darker colors. And again, you can find scarves with so many different prints, so find ones that are complementary to what you like or what area of work you're in. Like I said, I like mine to be a little bit more creative because I'm a creative person, but you can pick whatever aesthetic you like. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed those tips. Hopefully this gives you an idea on how you can really easily make a background for yourself. If you did enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below because I will be making new videos every week. And as you guys saw, I would love any comments or suggestions on what the next video should be, and I would love to do it like this one. So if you have any of those, comment those down below. And if you do decide to recreate this, how about you tag me at Made by Fico so that I can see? And otherwise, have a great week, take care, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.